Hi guys, if you have just received your EastWest ATM card and you don't know how to activate it, this guide is going to help you. So first of all, you need to simply insert your card into the EastWest Bank ATM. So after inserting your card, you just have to simply select the PIN activation or create PIN option when prompted. Then simply enter the 4-digit PIN and confirm it. This is going to activate your card and it will also secure it for use. Now, some of the cards come with temporary PIN in a sealed mailer. So you can enter that first and you will be asked to create a new one. So make sure that the new PIN is easy to remember to you and it should not be obvious. Now, the next thing that you can do is, in order to basically activate it, you can activate it either via the mobile application or on the official website. So here on the eastwestbanker.com, you just have to simply click on these three lines on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to simply register your account using your card details, and this is going to let you manage your account and track your transactions. After activation, you can try a simple transaction like checking the balance or withdrawing a small amount, and this is going to confirm that your card and the PIN are correctly working. So thanks for watching.